This is my custom PC case, 3D printed, for a total of 38 cents. So here we have a handle. It's stronger than it looks, I promise. So I could lift up the whole thing if I wanted to, but I only have one hand right now. Then this is the ATX mount. Notice how small it is. This is like extremely minimalist. That's why I can get that 38-cent price point. Here's your motherboard. This is a quad-core mini ITX. Mini ITX is pretty important because you want everything to fit on a 12-inch, a 12 by 1 inch board. So 12 inches just gets the mini ITX motherboard and your ATX power supply. Then over here we have our 320 gig hard drive with the 3D printed hard drive mount. Again, extremely tiny. And then this is the on switch, the on and reset button for the front of the PC. So hit this, and you can kind of hear it. This is silent. I mean, it's a fanless CPU. It's incredible. The motherboard uses like 25 watts. This uses like 90, but it's brand new. This is a NVIDIA GTX 950. It's like almost top of the line video card. Runs pretty much anything. And yeah, that's the whole piece right there. It used to have a DVD player connected, but I only used that to install Windows. So now it's not needed. I don't have it connected. But that's the whole PC. Very exciting. Including the board, it probably comes in at under $4 for the case.